Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check InDrive ride history. So if you want to check your InDrive ride history to see the history and know the ride you booked or the one that are incoming, so you have to click on the InDrive app like this. So once you logged in into your InDrive, you're going to go to this horizontal line right above your screen, click on that, and you're going to see your profile. You see your history, requests history, and the rest of the history. So you can click on this click on request history, and you're going to see your rides that you booked and other histories. So this is literally how to just check your other history on InDrive, your ride history on InDrive. So if you find this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.